Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix Wi-Fi not showing in Windows 11. By following the few simple steps that I show you now, you'll be able to fix Wi-Fi not showing in Windows 11 very easily. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't make any mistakes by saying that. Let's start the video. At first, make sure that you have not enabled the airplane mode, and if you have, then disable it because it might be the region of your problem. And after that, press the window plus R key, and then you'll be able to open the run dialog box, and then you have to enter ncpa.cpl and then tap on enter. Then you'll be able to see this type of interface, and here you have to do a right click in the Wi-Fi and then tap on disable and again enable it. And after doing this, still you are not able to fix the problem, then you might want to restart your computer. Restarting your computer might help. And even after that, you are not able to fix your problem, then go to the troubleshooting settings and then tap on other troubleshooters. And here, run the troubleshoot for network and internet by tapping on run. And after doing that, still you are not able to fix your problem, then go to the network and internet and tap on advanced network settings. And here in the section of more settings, you have to tap on network reset. And here you have to tap on reset now. Then you'll be able to reset your all the network connections. And after resetting the network, you just have to reconnect to the internet, and then you'll be able to fix your problem. So my friend, that's it. If you find this video helpful even 1%, consider subscribing and leave a like. I'll be back with another problem solving video like this. Thanks for watching.